Hello there, it's Terry here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am sharing a card that I created using some products from Inkblot Shop. Let's get started. So the stamp set that I will be using today is called Botanical Borders, and it's a 6x6 clear stamp with 4 flower borders. The stamp that I will be using today is the second one with the tulips. So to start off, I am going in with Nina Solar White, and I'm stamping the borders with the tulips on the bottom of the cardstock. Included within the stamp set, there are small tulips. I went ahead and placed that all throughout the cardstock. I want it to seem as though the flowers were flying off in the wind. I then went in with Memento Tuxedo Black ink and stamped that onto the cardstock. I am using this ink because I do plan on using my Copic markers. Here you can see that I'm just repeating the process throughout the card panel. And now that I'm happy with the stamping, I went ahead and used my Copic markers and colored all of the images in. I'm not doing anything too fancy here, just using a few shades of Copic markers. And since the images are so small, you really don't have to do a lot of shading. And of course, going in with my white gel pen, I added a few highlights and details onto the colored images. Okay, so what I did off screen here is I used my rectangle dies from Gina K Designs. I believe it's the Master Layouts Die 1 set. And I like this set because you're able to create the black matted cardstock piece that you see here behind my front panel without having to guess the exact measurements. Okay, so now I'm going in with one of the sentiments from the Scripty Saying stamp set, and I chose the one that says congratulations. I went ahead and inked that up with my Versamark ink and applied gold embossing powder onto it. Then using my heat gun, I went ahead and heat set that onto my card panel. Okay, so this card is pretty much almost done. It's very simple. So what I did here is I applied the card front to a card base, a top folding card base, and I'm also adding a few embellishments. I'm using gold baubles and applying that throughout the card panel. And for a little extra details, I went in with my shimmer pen and applied shimmer all over the flowers. And there you have it. The card is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.